Welcome back to AQber. Today we are going to be unboxing the RS4M. Now let's look at the box. It says RS4M here. It says Moyu, Chinese, and RS4M. On the bottom it says Moyu RS4M 4x4 stickerless. The price I bought it for is 1,289 rupees from Cubelelo. Okay, now let's open the box. So here we have a Moyu stand, the cube, and the accessory box which won't come out. Now let's look what's in the accessories box. So here we have a screwdriver and a band flip. Hope you know how to read Chinese because there's nothing in English. We have a screwdriver to tension the cube. Okay, now let's open the cube. Now let's do some first turns. Okay, it turns pretty well. The outer layers have weak magnets and the inner layers have strong magnets. The shades are half bright. It is 141 grams. The size is 65 millimeters. Okay, it turns pretty well. Let's do a quick solve. Okay, and go. This cube is very smooth. The last layer was very easy to do, unlike the GAN 4x4. Parity algorithms are also very smooth. It's very smooth. Bye. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, comment on this video, and last but not least, make sure to smash that subscribe button and make the bell ringing so you can get all my notifications.